Chef Robert Hertel here at St. Louis Community College. Today I'm going to throw together a quick and easy cranberry sauce for your Thanksgiving feast. We're going to start off with a bag of our fresh cranberries. They're going to go right in the pot for us. Like to use a little fresh zest of an orange. You could do this on a microplane. You could do it with a zester, a channel knife. I'm using my simple box grater. And as much or as little as you like. Then I'm going to cut that orange in half. Don't want any seeds. Just squeeze that juice. Brown sugar, about a half a cup. Chinese 5 spice, about a teaspoon. A little water to help bring that together. We don't want to burn it. And that's going to go to the stove. We get that on the stove, we're going to crank that up, and we're going to pop the lid on. It's going to take about 5 minutes to come up to temp. As you can see, that's come up to a nice boil, looking good. We're going to reduce that heat just a little bit, take a look at it. I'm going to leave the lid off. There's plenty of water there, and let that reduce just a little bit to get a better consistency in my finished product. You want to give that a check, that pot, see how it's kind of glazed up, it's a little thicker. That's going to be beautiful once that cools down. So when you're happy with the viscosity on the stove, go ahead and turn it off. I'd let it sit for 10-15 minutes just to come down to temp. You can go ahead and store that in the refrigerator overnight. In fact, at least one night. You could make it on Tuesday before Thanksgiving. It'll be even better. Let it come down chilled. And then nice presentation for service. People are going to love having this served with that beautiful turkey on Thanksgiving.